Good morning, friends. My name is Supreet Singh, and I represent a company with the name of Starshield Technologies. Starshield is into smart paints and coatings. So when we talk about smart paints, what is it? So ideally, we are aware about the paints and coatings, but not the smart. So what we do is we are a company which manufactures nanomaterials, and we infuse nanomaterials to make paints and coatings. Right? The paints which can protect you from the heat, water, dust, corrosion, virus, and mosquitoes, and many other things. Right? So let me show you the demo, the kind of products what we have. So as you can see, we are showing a demo of heat reducing paints on the glass. Right? So what you can do is you can just put your hand to feel the heat. This is basically a infrared lamp. So it passes on the IR rays which is present in the sun. So that is a responsible thing for the heat. So as you can just put the this thing, how much heat you're getting.
Coffee heater.
Okay. So generally what we use is we put the glass like this in between hand as well as the light. But the heat is coming like anything, right? But also we had use the DGU glasses, right? The double glazed glass. So what we did is we did the coating. We did the coating on the plain float glass, and now he can.
minor
The heat is very less now. So what we can do is we can just have a look at this, how it is working. So as you can see, you can just focus on that. This is a spectrometer which shows how much IR, UV and visibility is there. So this is a plain glass. You can see the UV blockage is 13.6%. IR is 15.6%. IR is the one which is responsible for the heat. Now when we put the DGU glasses, the IR goes to 32.8%. Means it is blocking 32.8% heat. Now when we put this one, it shows around 84.85% blockage in the IR. So let's do one thing. We also require the bigger one. So by using the same coating, we can make it 100% also. So entire heat got blocked.
Very good.
This is the scenario wherein you can put it on the plain glass. But when you go in the building, you cannot take out the glasses. So here we are having the spectrometer, as you can see. So by using this simple glass, what you can do is you can just put it a magnet kind of a thing, and you can check okay how much heat is getting blocked. It is showing around 19% of the blockage, right? And maybe on the DGU glasses, it is around 44%. Then we put our coating. 87% blockage, right? And then we put the other one. It shows 100% block, right? So this is another way to test the material. Now we have this coating for the buildings. We have this coating for the cars also. You can do it on the buildings, you can do it on the skylight, and you can do it on the cars also. Like this is one product. And we are having the finish available in transparent, translucent, frosted, tinted, and you can do it with a roller, with a sponge, with a tool what we get, and with the spray method also. And soon we are coming up with the aerosol can. So this is one product. Let's understand one more product, that is for the heat reflectivity. So here for the example part, we put two halogen lights. So halogen will create an artificial heat, right? So what we're going to do is we're just opening the light. So the heat is passing through. And then we take two product things. One is coated with charcoal sheet industrial, and second is uncoated. Both the coatings are having the same strength, same thickness. You can see this particular thing. So what we did is we just put two particular parameters on the lamp. So generally what happens is when you put this thing, heat is getting passed through this and not through this. So he can just, person can feel it by putting a hand over there at the same time on both the glasses, both the sheets. Yeah. So how we can check it? We can check it using thermometer. Like it's 45 degrees, 101 degrees. Or maybe we can also use, because for the correct part, this is this thing, visual IR meter, or we can say thermal camera. You can see it is around 69%, 85%, and this is around 150 degrees. So what we do is, so as you can see, this particular thing, with the thermal camera, it is showing around, the thermal camera, it is showing around 75%, 76 degrees, and here you can see 150 degrees. So what we put is, we know on 100 degrees, the water get evaporated. So this is, you can see, the liquid got disappeared like anything. But now as far as this is concerned, we are having the coating which you can apply it on the roof, like this, on the walls. So this is a product for the walls. What we did is, you can apply the coating on the wall to make it heat reflective, and then we can laminate it also by using star lamination shield. Once we do the lamination, what actually happens is it becomes thoroughly waterproof, scratch resistant, scrub resistant, dust repellent, water repellent, anti-gravity, anti-static, UV stable, and 9H hardness. And you can also see the gloss on this, right? But at some locations we don't have the facility to put, because in some locations we are having the stones over there in the front, or maybe any marble or anything that has been applied on the fascia. So we also have the insulation coating. This insulation coating, you can apply it from inside. So this product is having very less thermal conductivity, right? And this product can reduce the heat by applying it from inside. And now when we check the beauty of this particular product, we do have an insulation coating. I'm showing you with this particular parameter. Like this is a normal paint, this is an insulation paint, what we did. So what we're doing is, we are just going to do a test, right? So herein you can see, otherwise I'll show it to you. Again you can see, this is a insulation coating, this is a normal paint. You can check the sound which is coming over here. It goes till 87 degrees, right? And here, so the decibel of the sound get reduced by using the coating also. So it acts as a soundproofing also. Now we do have coating for all these things, but at times when we do the construction and everything, we need to put some insulation parameter like glass rules and other insulation parameters in the concrete or something, so that we can make it insulated. So what we have designed is, we have designed a this thing panel, which is a vacuum. So this panel has been made with the aerogels, as well as aerogel, you must be aware about, it is having around 99% of this air, and this is a vacuum. So vacuum doesn't pass anything. So it is having the lowest thermal conductivity anyone can achieve ever. As far as we are just concerned, this is a coating. It comes in a DIY coating. The below one is for the building, and the above one you can use it for the cars also, right? So you just need to take out the sponge and take the coating and apply the coating on the glass like we showed to you. Now heat sector is okay over, right? Now let me show you the coatings, the kind of coatings what we are having for the waterproofing. So I'm showing you certain products which are not available as such in the market. Before going ahead, let me show you one of these two boxes. As you can see, this is a ordinary cement based block, and this is this has been made with the admixture of what do we say, star cement shield strength. So when we talk about strength, it gives you the strength like anything. When you put it into the cement as a block, it will increase the compressive strength by up to 100%, and it can increase the tensile by up to 30%. Over the above, it will make it more of a corrosion resistant also. So you won't be having the issue with the corrosion after all, and you can also use it in the wastewater treatment plants. Now this is one product. Now I'm showing you one other product because we generally got many scenarios like the cement and the waterproofing issues, right? So what we have designed is we have designed a product with the name of Star Water Shield. This Star Water Shield you can actually apply as an admixture in the cement while construction is going on. Otherwise, you can apply it after the cement. So I'll show you two simple demos. This is a normal coated one. This is a normal one without coating, and this is a thing which has been coated. As you can see, this is having a pores like anything. The droplet is forming and it is not absorbing anything, right? But apart from that, we generally make the buildings and everything with the tiles. So when we make the tiles, there is an expansion and contraction that goes out, and due to expansion and contraction, even the joints of the tiles uh, got this gap, and the water get inside. So this is a coating, Star Aqua Shield Transparent we have made. You can see it. This is the coating what we have made. This is a proper plastic shed, and we did the coating over here. Once you do it, even on the metal sheds, even on this concrete, even on the tiles, you will have a transparent waterproofing without impacting the what is the aesthetics of your tiles. We can apply the coating, and it will do the waterproofing like anything. You can see it yourself. And we have just made it with a small this thing also, filtration thing also. So this is a coating what we did. You can see it over here, and there is no water. Now similarly, when you do the construction, you make bathrooms, you put cementitious waterproofing. So this is a coating that we did on one of the filter things, and you can see what I'm doing is from the below, I'm putting a finger inside, right? And from the top also. See, you can check the flexibility, even the strength, water is not coming. So this is Star Water Seal we have. Similarly, we have products for the cementitious like Star Waterproof interior for the exterior also. Now when we require the coating, we just generally put on the top, that is a membrane, the liquid membrane, which we have both in the, like the product name is Star Aqua Shield and Star Aqua Shield Plus. So this is a waterproofing membrane with PU. Also another one, and the beauty is we are having the coating which you can do it on the color also. So Aqua Shield is also available in the color. So if at all you want some color, some design, that can be made possible also. And the beauty is when you do it, the waterproofing on the lamination, this is our milestone product. So it makes it even better. Like I'll show you again there. So nothing get absorbed. So this itself is a elastomeric waterproofing membrane. Now let me show you certain more products. As I've told you, the heat is there. We also have the coatings which can be done on the metal. This is a transparent coating. These coatings are having a, I tell you, these are the scratch resistant, scrub resistant, dust repellent, water repellent, oil repellent, anti-graffiti, anti-static. And the coating has been applied without primer. This is direct to metal coating. So you can see the clear, the transparent one. You can see the coated one with a color, and different colors we can give like this, whatever the color you want. You can apply it on any of the metal surfaces, right? And then we do have a heat resistant coating. It works till 650 degrees. We do have a product that works till 1000 degrees also. We do have a corrosion resistant coating. It will help you from the rust, so the durability will get increased. And we do have a acid resistant coating also. So this is an acid resistant coating. It can be applied on concrete, wastewater treatment plant, as well as on the metal. Anywhere you can apply. So here we are with the other products. We are dealing into the floor coatings, right? So this is a epoxy coating, epoxy flooring. I think you can see this particular parameter. You can do it on anywhere, like on the industry, on the other part. We are having an anti-skid coating, Starshield sheet. It will protect you from the felling, from the slippery part. And I think most of people are aware about that. There are some issues with there are some demerits of the epoxy also. So we have made a flexible epoxy also. So you can see, like we can just, it will help you in the shock absorbing. Plus it will gonna help you in more durability and with the flexibility also. Then we do have a clear epoxy also. This can be used in a 3D flooring, like you must have seen many where, and it can be used in the furniture also. But if at all you don't want the epoxy, then we are having a UV stable, because epoxy cannot be applied on the exterior part. We do have a epoxy that can be applied on the exterior part, but we do have a better choice also. This is Star PU flooring. So it can be applied anywhere, and once you see it, you can see it, because the marble, no company shows you on the marble, because generally what happens is their coating get bent. That is the reason we have made it on the marble, so that you can just actually get it a bit idea, the coating, the strength, durability, as well as the adhesion without getting bent. And let's say if at all you're not having the budget, or maybe you don't require epoxy everywhere, so why to increase the cost? So this is a coating, this is a coating which will give you a feel like epoxy, or maybe the PU you can say, but this is a floor paint. You can apply the floor paint, it will give you the finish like this, and then you can laminate it with the star lamination sheet. So it will make it a finish like this, the gloss like this, and even make it dust free. So many areas you can use it, and these are the water based. So similarly, we are having the paints we are having the range of paints. A range of paints in sense that we are having the products like you can apply it. It will help you out from the, so like we are having the mosquito repellent paint. We are having the rodent repellent things. We are having the anti-viral paint. We are having the exterior paint, which is a smart paint. We are having the interior paint. We are having the anti-fade paint. We are having the color changing paint. We are having the glow in the night paint. We are having fire resistant paint, intumescent coating, anti-carbonation paint, like anything, the range of products what we have. So you can see all these products over here. But when you decorate the wall, there is always one more thing, which is like wood. So we do have a wood coating. The wood coating, which you can just don't have a feel of that. You don't have the feel of that, but you can see the finish. See the glossiness. It is not just the lacquer. This is a protective coating for the wood, and you can do it on any kind of a wood, be it a teak, be it a polished one. So it will give you not only the grace look, increase the gradient, but it will also help you in from protection. And these are the oleofabric as well as the UV stable. right? Apart from that, we are having the coating. Most of the people are using for the solar panels and all that. So we do have a coating for the solar panel. I think you can see it from the base. This is a coated area, right? And this is a uncoated. So it is having a texture. This becomes very smooth. So this is a coating. You can do it on the solar panel and make it much better in terms of cleaning and dusting and all that stuff. Now let me show you some more things. We also have the paints that we need to. We also have the paints that you can do it on the curb stone of the roads. It is available in many colors. Black, white, and yellow is a major color. What we use. So similarly, this is a paint. Like everybody is using enamel at the moment. So we have designed the water-based enamel, and on that we can do the lamination. And even if at all you put any of the dusty water, muddy water, or pollutant, or many other kind of grease and everything, it will repel all this. And you can see the gloss, and even you can see the grace also. Now coming to these particular things, I think I've showed you many things. I've told you earlier that we have developed the coating which can kill corona within 30 seconds. So what we did is, as corona is over now, we have put that particular corona nanomaterial, that is a star virus shield, into the paint to make it healthy paints. So it will help you from the fungus, from the growth of algae, from all other things. So this is a kind of a product which will make us more healthier. Similarly, as you can see, we are using the textures, we are using the designs, we are using the wallpapers, but wallpaper doesn't let it breathable. So herein what we can say is, you can see the finish of the coating. These are the star metallic shade. This is a part of a designer range. You can see different kind of coatings. So this will give you the elegance like anything. And once there's an elegance, these are having the crystals inside. It will help you in glowing. And we are having different kind of ranges into that. So this is a whole scenario. These are the different colors, and we can make in any color. As far as company is concerned, Starshield is having an Indo-European technology. We are having in-house research and testing facilities. We have more than 100 products in total. We have exports in more than 45 countries. We uh, we have filed more than 18 claims. 18 claims of our patent has been got okay from the international search reports, but these are patent pending yet. We have around 52 research paper published as a company. The team of the Starshield has put these particular research background into that. We have been trusted by more than 5,000 clients all across the globe. We are featured as a top 10 key players in uh, more than 35 market research reports. So they base it is based on the innovation of the kind of products what we have and the problem segments. Similarly, we have presence in around 6 countries. We follow the global standards. As you can see, we are the world's first paint company which has been certified as a ESCO, Energy Service Company. So we are a ESCO company, and we are the only paint company at the moment in India, and the first one also, which has been certified from Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE. Apart from that, we are the world's first paint company. We are the world's first paint company which is having the coating that you can apply it on the car glass also. So you can apply it on the car and it will reduce the heat like anything. You can see our certification and registration by going over this. Yeah, our registrations and certifications as a company, you can just have an idea. And we are the first European company which has been certified against killing of coronavirus. We have all sort of test reports that has been conducted in European labs. And you can see our stall. You can see our stall at the Igbc. And as far as we are concerned as a company, we are majorly into nanomaterials, heat protective coatings, waterproofing, floor coatings, smart paints, construction chemicals, protective coating, as well as car care. That's all. Thank you. Please visit our website to know more, www.starshieldpaints.com, and we can supply you anywhere in the world. Thank you.